Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down ALRM.com's fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. All right, let's go. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q4 was $237.5 million. The company actually reported revenue of $242.2 million, surpassing expectations by 2%. This quarterly revenue also marked a 7.1% increase compared to the $226.2 million reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, the original estimate for Q4 was 53 cents. The company actually reported an EPS of 58 cents, exceeding expectations by 9.4%. However, this result reflects a 6.5% decrease compared to the 62 cents per share reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. ALRM.com delivered strong SaaS revenue growth of 11.7% year-over-year in the fourth quarter. This growth was driven by strong performance across multiple business segments, particularly in commercial security and energy management. The company's international expansion is also gaining momentum, with international revenue now representing 6% of total revenue, up from previous quarters. One standout metric is the company's impressive revenue retention rate of 95% in Q4, exceeding their historical target range of 92% to 94%. This indicates strong customer satisfaction and stable recurring revenue. The company's cash generation was particularly robust, with free cash flow reaching $196.3 million for 2024, a significant increase from a previous year. This demonstrates the company's ability to convert earnings into cash effectively. Gross margins showed improvement as well, reaching 65.5% in the fourth quarter, up from 64.1% in the same quarter last year. This improvement was primarily driven by a higher percentage of SaaS and license revenue in the mix. The company's adjusted EBITDA grew 14.5% in 2024, reaching $176.2 million, showing strong operational efficiency and scaling of the business. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. One of the most impressive aspects is the performance of ALRM.com's growth initiatives, which collectively grew nearly 25% in 2024. These growth units, including commercial, international, and energy hub businesses, now represent 26% of total SaaS revenue. Speaking of growth units, OpenEye, their enterprise video business, has reached a significant milestone by generating nearly $20 million in SaaS revenue in 2024. This represents remarkable growth since its acquisition, demonstrating the success of ALRM.com's strategic expansion into enterprise video solutions. Energy Hub has emerged as another standout performer, now generating more than $50 million in SaaS revenue. The business has introduced innovative capabilities like dynamic load shaping, which uses machine learning to provide more precise grid management solutions. They are now managing over 1.6 million enrolled grid edge devices for more than 70 utility clients in the U.S. On the innovation front, ALRM.com has launched new AI-powered video monitoring capabilities, including AI-to-turn technology that can identify suspicious activities and engage potential threats with generative AI voice responses in real time. This represents a significant advancement in their video surveillance offerings. The company has also announced the acquisition of CEKT, which expands their remote video monitoring (RVM) capabilities. CEKT's platform enables professional monitoring of security cameras and can integrate with various camera systems, positioning ALRM.com to capture more opportunities in the growing RVM market. Lastly, but notably, the company announced that CFO Steve Valenzuela will be retiring after nearly 8.5 years with the company. Under his financial leadership, ALRM.com has grown revenue by 280% and raised over $1 billion in cash, leaving the company with a strong balance sheet. Looking ahead, ALRM.com appears well-positioned for continued growth, with multiple growth drivers across their portfolio. Their focus on innovation, strategic acquisitions, and international expansion, combined with strong financial performance, suggests a promising outlook for 2025 and beyond. That wraps up our recap of ALRM.com's fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.